Alright, I got the excavator running. Now it's time to move some cars. It makes it so much easier with the excavator. Just hook onto the car, front or back of it, and then I just drag it to where it needs to go. So here we go. Gonna be moving some stuff and selling things. So if you guys want to keep an eye out for stuff, my eBay account's Spooner Tuner, and then it's the horizontal dash, then like negative symbol, and then com, C-O-M at the end. It's like my website, spoonertuner.com. Until I'm ready to actually sell stuff, I'm not going to really show you a whole lot right now, because it's going to take me a week or two to move all this stuff down there. But as soon as it's ready and I start selling stuff, then you'll be able to see what's going online. I'll post it on my YouTube account. So no engine, no drivetrain, transmission, it's all removed. So this thing's pretty light. Now I can just pluck it right out of here and take off. Going on there. There we go. It's stabilized. Alright. Gonna get going. Make this thing happen. Looks like I got stuff on my face. Alright, we're making progress. Might not look like it, but I moved out a lot of the big stuff back in there. Alright, got an old International here. Gonna bring it down to my other piece of property. Got it all loaded up and everything. So then the last of the big stuff will just be these two Travco motorhomes, and then this Spartan motorhome here. And then the rest of it's pretty small, normal size vehicles. It's nice when the brakes aren't locked up on the vehicles or anything like that. No flat tires.